Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to be giving you all the details on this amazing wig that I have been rocking from Her Given Hair. So if you're interested to find out more about it, please keep watching. So this is their new packaging and I like it a lot better because the box is a lot more sturdier than the previous ones that I've received from Her Given Hair. And as you can see on the back, it's got all their social media handles and their website and email. And I really like how you pull out the inside box to access the wig. I think it kind of gives it a bit of that luxury feel. So inside the box, it's got the wig, and they also included the product description. And as I said before, this unit is the Something About Mary unit. The texture is coily 3C4A. The length is 18 inches and the cap size is medium. And they also included an elastic band, some extra combs and some clips. And they also include this very detailed wig instruction book, which gives you all the details on how to take care of your wig, how to get the best out of your wig, and how to apply your wig properly. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. It's a coily texture as I mentioned before, and on the inside it's a lace closure, not a frontal, so it's just a small amount of lace. It's also got 2 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. And this is what the lace looks like. It looks pretty good to me, so I won't be doing anything to it. Plus this unit has bangs, so I won't be parting anywhere on the lace, so you won't really see it. Alright, so to make sure that these beautiful curls come to life, I'm going to co-wash it now, and I'm co-washing it with my usual conditioner, which is the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. I use this on all my wigs and also on my natural hair, and then I'm going to apply a generous amount of my conditioner all through the hair. Next, I'm going to take sections of the hair and detangle it using my Tangle Teezer. Now I'm using the Tangle Teezer because it will make the curls really pop and really defined. So once that's all done, I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. And this is how much hair came out after I detangled it. I think it's a reasonable amount of hair for this type of curly hair. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying some of this Nourishing Banana Hair Food, which is kind of like a leave-in, and this one's from Garnier Fructis. I also use this on my natural hair. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this product all through the hair, section by section, and then use my Tangle Teezer to brush the hair to further define the curls and then let it air dry. So it's all done now, and as you can see, the wig looks amazing, the curls are popping, it's very defined, and I'm just going to let it air dry now. Alright, so let's apply this wig and see how it looks on me. So first off, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace at the front. And then I'm just going to put it on. bangs are a bit long, but all I had to do was simply slide the wig back a little bit and problem solved. In terms of trimming the hair, I really didn't have to do much. Everything was pretty even, and as you can see, it instantly looks amazing. But I must say that the hair hasn't completely dried, so it doesn't have the volume that it will get when it completely dries, but I still love how it looks right now. So I had to come back and show you what the hair looked like after it had completely dried. So this was maybe 2 or 3 days later, and as you can see, the hair looks even better now. It looks so much more natural. It looks so much more realistic. Tell me this is not my natural hair, guys. Like seriously, you cannot tell me anything. And I must say that I was a little bit scared about how big the hair would get, because this is style B of the Something About Mary unit, so it's 350 grams. It's a lot more than style A, which is only 270 grams. So I thought the hair was going to be maybe too big for my face, but it's absolutely perfect. I've actually never tried bangs on curly hair before, and I was a little scared to try this because I didn't know how it would look on me, whether it would suit me or not. It's so different, but it's so realistic, and it literally looks like I've just got amazing hair, and I've received so many compliments. Honestly, this hair has so much personality, and as soon as I put it on, I feel confident, I feel sexy, I feel fierce. This is hands down my favorite wig to date. It is so low maintenance. I literally have washed it just the one time, and the hair just keeps getting bigger and fluffier, and it just keeps looking better. Make sure to check out this unit on the Her Given Hair website. I will leave all the links and information down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!